Hello everyone, this is Sheshe. Today we are starting the Peacock Paisley card kit. This is the beautiful card we're making today. The sentiment is celebrating your special day. So I'm going to get started. The flowers are in vellum, or it's just one flower and one leaf. So when you're coloring vellum, you want to color from the back. They're embossed. So that's what I'm going to do, is color the flowers from the back. Okay. So that's what I will start. The process is just coloring, so I'm just going to speed up the video. The colors I'm using today are a little bit darker. I'm going to try to get them a little bit darker than what the color on the picture shows. It's just a little bit lighter than what I like, but we will see how it turns out. But I'm using denim because when you're using the colors on the instructions, it still comes out super light. So it says denim, but it's still going to show up very light on the vellum. I'm going to use Angel Pink because there are some colors that show up on the flower light. So pink, and New Sprout because the leaf is light, and some areas of the peacock. So I'm going to use some sparkle glitter, the frills that come in the kit, and some glue. And just sit back and enjoy. Okay, here's the finished card. It turned out so pretty. Celebrating your day. It is a special card for that wedding or special occasion that you would like to give that special someone. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Take care, and I hope you have a fabulous day.